In this video, I will show you how to connect PayPal to beacons.ai. To do this, what you want to do is open up your Beacons AI account and go to Settings in the left menu. From there, go over to the Payment section here. From there, under PayPal, click Connect, and then it will redirect you to PayPal. From there, you will need to create a business account if you don't have one yet. If you already have one, you can just gonna sign in. From there, you can sign into your PayPal account if you already have one. If you don't, just gonna create an account. Then, if you have a personal account, it will say you logged into a personal account. How do you want to continue? You can connect your personal account to Beacons, or you can connect a business account. Whichever you want to do, just gonna select it. From there, click Next. And then click Return to Beacons AI, and from there it should now say that PayPal has been linked. So if you go to Payments now, under PayPal, to say Connected. So now I've connected my PayPal account to Beacons, and people can now use PayPal to pay me. So now you know how to connect PayPal to Beacons AI. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.